Hi everyone, it's Mark from Basic Info Security again, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about the importance of backups. Now, you might already have a backup process in place, which if you do, that's fantastic. But if you don't, you need to pay close attention to this video because backups play a critical role when it comes to securing your information and your data, and also making sure your data is accessible and easily accessed in case something unexpected happens. So a couple of common options for backups include having an external hard drive that you would attach to your computer, and every once in a while you would copy your files from your computer and move them, or not move them, but copy them over to your external drive, so that way you have a backup. Another option that's more and more common and popular now is using cloud technologies to back up your data to it. There's a lot of different providers that actually allow you to use their services to back up data. A couple of them are OneDrive, which is a product from Microsoft. Another one is Dropbox, and another one is Box. And so those are some common drive space, online drive space that you can use to back up your files. You can also use those drive locations to just store files, and it really makes it easy and convenient to get to your files from anywhere. But it's really important to make sure you have some backup file locations, so that way if you're storing your files just on your local computer or just on a flash drive, for example, those things have the tendency to go bad over time. So if you have all your files on those, you know, one of those drives, and it goes bad, you'll lose everything. So it's really important to make sure you have your files in different locations. If you have any questions about backups or backup best practices, I will do some more videos on this subject. If you have any specific questions about backups in general, just leave me a comment below, and I will answer those questions that you leave, and give you some recommendations and maybe some services and products that I've used in the past and what I'm using currently to try and keep my data safe by making sure it's always available, even in the worst situations. All right, if you like this video, please press the like button below and subscribe to my channel. I always try and give updates on security topics whenever possible, and when you leave a comment below, I'll do my best to answer your questions and comments as soon as I can. All right, thanks, and I will see you next time.